Hey y'all, Corey Camp here, Chief Learning Officer here at Sydney, and I am bringing you an exciting update for you this early March 2026. This released earlier this week, and we have been telling folks that this is coming, so we're really excited about this. It's going to completely transform some of your experiences with our AI Copilot. What is that update, you may ask? Well, this is the ability to select multiple artifacts. It can be a recording, video or audio. It can be student work. It can be a lesson plan. And now, when you select multiple artifacts, one of the multi-artifact actions you have is AI Insights. So select more than one artifact from your workspace or a huddle or inside a folder and click on those twinkling stars. The first thing you'll have to do if you've got resources as artifacts selected is you'll have to select a category for any that don't already have one. So these are all, this is a lesson plan. I've got some student products as part of this. This is a video, so it doesn't need a category. It and all of its resources will come into this as well. One thing that you will not be able to move forward with is if you have selected a URL or an entire folder. You can't select the entire folder. You have to go into the folder to select those options before you get that continue button. Now here, if you've been using AI Insights and chatting with our Copilot, this experience is synonymous to what you've had already. But again, now that context lies across multiple artifacts and not just a single one. So what might you do with multi-artifact? Well, if you're an instructional leader, this is a great way to look at patterns over time, helping me look at for progress that this teacher and I have made in our coaching cycle, or as I plan for end of year conferences or summatives. It also allows for greater calibration experiences across appraisers, whether you're looking at a single teacher calibrating around that or multiple teachers. And the part that I'm really excited for within our instructional leadership use cases are looking at things related to vertical and horizontal alignment, whether you are selecting lesson plans or recordings, adding the scope and sequence or your pacing guides, even student work, and being able to look across grade levels or across subject areas to identify and pull forward any trends and patterns that you see. Where do we have alignment? Where are there some things that we might want to focus on? And how might I even plan PD or for our next PLC with that? And then as we all focus on HQIM or HQIR, those high quality instructional materials and resources, and the implementation of those, internalization of lesson plans, again, thinking about how this works for that. Now, this is just version 1 of our AI Insights multi-artifact release. Down the road, we'll have the ability to select a framework and we'll have key prompts designed for multi-artifact, but this is an amazing start. Now, what about teachers? You say, how might I, as a teacher, use this? Well, maybe I want to select multiple artifacts from a student's portfolio, or I want to look at first period, second period, fourth period, and compare trends and insights across their student work or recordings I have of those different class periods. I think with this multi-artifact, it's going to, again, surface so much information for us that really allows us more time to start working on the strategy to close the gap. Thanks so much for choosing Sydney, and we can't wait to keep bringing you great things here in the Sydneyverse.